Now it's possible to run Stable Diffusion by Automatic 1111 on Windows with an AMD GPU, ROCm, and an unofficial version of PyTorch. So watch until the end and I'll show you exactly the steps that you need to take. Alright, first of all check out the AMD Adrenalin version that is 25.6.1. The next thing we are going to do is we download Python 3.11.9, the Windows installer. You can just download this one. The other files we need are the torch files by the ROC. All the links are in the description, by the way, if you need one. And we are going to download all the Python 11 version of Torch Vision, Torch Audio and Torch itself. So just download them, click them all, and then we are going to clone Stable Diffusion Web UI or download it. You can just download it also by doing the zip, downloading the zip, and we are going to use Stable Diffusion XL, so you can download this one here. We just use the base model. Press download. When the downloads are ready, we can create a Python 3.11 virtual environment, and then we can start our Stable Diffusion and generate an image. Now open a command line, hit enter and check if the Python version that you got is the right version. So first of all, do the following command, python -- version, and as you can see I got 3.10 installed here. You can also use a PyLauncher, so if you are installing multiple versions of Python, then it's recommended to use a PyLauncher. Then you can use py -3.11 and you check the version, and then as you can see I'm running the Python 3.11 version. Alright, in the end we got the following files. So the installer for Python, we installed Python, we got the torch files, and we got our Stable Diffusion save tensors file. We've also got Stable Diffusion. Well, this one I already extracted it, but I will show you how we extract it. Just click it, put it in the downloads folder, and you got it here. Now we are going to copy the torch files and SDXL into Stable Diffusion. Then here are our files. The save tensors needs to be in the models folder into Stable Diffusion, so it must be here. So let's do that. So we got it and we paste it there. Right, now we do it for the torch files. We keep them here because we are going to create our virtual environment, and then we are going to install the wheel files. So we got the custom torch files into our virtual environment. So let's go to our command line. Make sure you are in the downloads folder. So when you open the command line, you probably enter this location, so you change the directory by hitting this command. Then we change the directory into the Stable Diffusion command just by hitting the following command, hit enter, and as you can see there are our torch files. Now we need to make our virtual environment, so you can do that on two ways. If you got Python 3.11 already installed like this, for me it's 3.10, but if it's for you 3.11, you can immediately run the following command, python -module virtual environment in the folder venv. So for me it's not possible, so I'm going to run the following command because I use a PyLauncher, and then it goes like this. So this is our version. This is like for the people that got multiple Python versions on their machine, so you can run it like this, module virtual environment in the folder venv, and it will create the folder venv. And then you can do the following, activate it by hitting the following command. And you will see venv before the path, so then you know that the virtual environment is activated. And if you do the following, you can see everything that is, all the Python packages that are installed in your virtual environment. Alright, now we can install our Python packages of Torch by hitting the following command. And after that we need to do a pip install of Torch Vision and Torch Audio. There we go. Now we can do the other ones. Install Torch 2.7.0, this is the one that we installed. So let's do Audio. And also do the other one. Vision. Okay, so as you can see with the pip list, you can see the custom torch by the ROC, custom torch files. And now we are ready to run our Stable Diffusion. So let's do that. We can do that by hitting the following command and just give the right parameters. I use matvram because if I don't do it, I get out of memory errors. So I want to prevent that. And I also use no health VAE. Alright, now we can select our save tensors here as the Excel. Let's prompt something. Do some configuration. And hit the generate button.